Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Sweet Unboxing. We have honeydew sweet from Sri Krishna and homemade Rawa laddoo from Somnath place.
Well, he came with the Sri Krishna sweets. We are Kannadigas, we have sweets all around the year. So I had to give.
And we have special guest Ashok who is here for us to taste the sweet.
Yes. Please do the opening.
Very good.
Very good.
Healthy food.
Before eating itself, huh?
Very good. Please open.
Sorry.
Please open it.
Okay. Good for me. I am a sweet tooth. Sweets are, I guess, everybody's weakness, right?
Definitely.
Okay.
Sweet.
So here you go.
Marking out of 10. Okay? Out of 10.
Markings. I just eat.
Also the cameraman, please have. Cameraman also have. We treat our cameraman equally.
Honey sweets.
Honey
Sweet.
Oh.
Very deep. Honey sweet. Super.
Tastes a bit like gulab jamun. 9.5 out of 10. Mark.
No marking for sweet. It's always 10% plus.
Thomas on marking.
It's too sweet, but I will give 9.7. Yeah.
Ashok get marking.
Full mark.
10 out of 10.
No, that is a part. Now comes the
Main
real
item.
sweet.
Please show the main item. Rawa laddoo.
Rawa undi, as we say.
Rawa undi.
Kannada. For you and you. No, you have to take full. What do you think?
It's all crumbled.
మొత్తం కలిసి చూడు.
All dirty. All gone.
Have. Now this is one of the many laddoos that we will have. N number of laddoos. So this time around the year, Rawa undi.
Very nice. So if you like our review, please donate for
Kaveri calling.
and also Isha Vidya. Links in description of somewhere here and there.
Yes, please.
Thank you.